Hi gang, Puppy here. I was setting up so where so I could mill the graduations on the 45s here. Drive belt circa 1995. Go snap. Very quietly. Oh so peacefully. With a whimper. The old girl died. Well, I went to eBay and I did a search. Shear line drive belt. And Mike's wood and metal tools wasn't the first listing. But his was the one I bought from. You want to know why? You want to know why I bought from Mike's wood and metal tools? Because I bought from him before. And yeah, the first one worked out to $3 more than Mike's. Gee whiz. Bought from him before, like him. He cost less than... Ding, 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 survey says! Okay, now, I thought maybe I'd, drive it with... can't see it up there, or maybe you can. My lapidary unit. This is one of the dry belts for it. I said, no. And I said, this, right? Double over, still too big. And while I was looking for another belt I had like this, I got off of some other piece of equipment. It was a little bit longer. I was going to give that a try. I couldn't find it. I find, where are you? You're not marked, but you are. Momax, Armstrong, Rex, right? No, Nitro. Nitro? Okay, whatever. This is a carbide Union Athol mass. I don't look like it's ever been used. Armstrong. 5/16 Momax. Momax. I mean, this was stuff in the cabinet over there that I'd forgotten. Anyway, I wasn't gonna grind these away with a ball burr, but since I can't do that, I'm gonna inflict this on you people. This, as you see, you're supposed to hold a dozen eggs. These were spikes. And what they did was they punctured eggs. Manual multi-axis machining. Oops! I dropped you. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to drop you. Careful metrology to make sure that my cavity forms are correct. It's a little warm. Imagine that. Oh! Oh! My arthritic cold. Ah! That felt good. There you go. Back you go. Okay. Water displacement formula number 40. Go back there. And you go back there. Okay. To do something